Is it time to buy or sell bullish stock? In this video, we will dive deep into bullish. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of September, 2025, our system has ranked bullish as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.1. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects a loss of 0.0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $55.81 will initially suggest a slower rate of decline, and it may serve as the first indication of a trend shift. Our latest daily update for bullish includes the headline, "Strong day for bullish stock price on Wednesday, rising 5.82%. to $54.35. The bullish stock price gained 5.82% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, rising from $51.36 to $54.35. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.48% with a low of $51.56 and a high of $54.90. The price has been experiencing volatility during this period, resulting in a gain of 0.17% over the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, signaling a positive technical indicator. With a total of 2 million more shares traded than the previous day, in total, 6 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $336 million and $31,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $118, and the lowest price was $47.88. Currently, the price is 53.94%, or $63.65, below the 52-week high of $118, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Bullish reported second quarter results showcasing $58.6 billion in digital asset sales, $57 million of adjusted revenue, and adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, amounting to $8,100,000, alongside a generally accepted accounting principles net income of $108,300,000. Management has guided for third quarter adjusted revenue to be between $69 million and $76 million, with adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization projected to be between $25 million and $28 million. Significantly, Bullish has secured a New York BIT license and money transmission approval, paving the way for a planned U.S. launch in the fourth quarter of 2025. Following this release, shares experienced a slight increase. In the short term, positive guidance and the BIT license are likely to enhance sentiment and trading volume. Investors tend to reward clear growth trajectories and access to the U.S. market, suggesting we might observe volatility with a favorable inclination. However, the second quarter profit was notably impacted by the appreciation of crypto assets, which can reverse swiftly, posing downside risks if the crypto markets cool. Looking ahead, U.S. licensing and higher margin custody and trading revenue could significantly broaden the addressable market and enhance steady-state profitability. Nevertheless, the realization of this potential into sustainable share price appreciation will depend on effective execution, scaling challenges, and fluctuations in cryptocurrency prices. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 8th of September 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned an overweight rating to BLSH with an initialize action. On Monday, the 8th of September 2025, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned a perform rating to BLSH with an initialize action. On Monday, the 8th of September 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned a buy rating to BLSH with an initialize action. On Monday, the 8th of September 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned a hold rating to BLSH with an initialize action. On Monday, the 8th of September 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned a market perform rating to BLSH with an initialize action. The following signals have been identified for bullish. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 4th of September 2025, and thus far, it has risen by 10.9%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, and these may influence near-term developments. The bullish stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, presenting a more negative outlook. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $59.76. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $52.72. A breakout above the long-term average will generate an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce another sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal around 10 days ago. The short-term moving average reflected a buy signal just 2 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average provided a sell signal 18 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average also indicated a sell signal 18 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal at the same time 18 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for bullish. Bullish finds support from accumulated volume at $54.26, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.34 between its high and low, which represents a change of 6.48%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.28%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for bullish. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for bullish is at $59.51. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could represent a suitable point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, bullish encounters its first support level at $54.26. Should this support level hold, it may present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $52.05, reflecting a decrease of 4.24%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, which introduces a considerable level of risk. There is currently a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 9 days ago. Is bullish stock a good buy? Bullish exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors might consider holding or accumulating more shares while waiting for further developments. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a hold candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 18th of September, we anticipate that bullish will open lower by approximately 74 cents, starting trading at $53.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.